Morning everybody. Wednesday morning, early, about 5ish, so you're in for a treat because you're going out, view through window, driving FB, because she's away next week without fail. I've just got me, I'm on my last bit of running round, just double check everything's sweet, so I'm going to get a quick drive out, and you're going to get a view of it, bit of choke. Here we go. Excellent starter. Oh, come on, let's go, and then I'm going to get a good look round it all. Exhaust all done. Just going to drive a foot rest at week, bit on at weekend. 20 or 30 mile on it. Probably a bit more, and quite happy. Wagons are parked up here, they must be going into some, there's a bit of building work going right the corner, so. But as you can see, everything's straight off cuff. Probably going to run a pigeon order here. No, it's got a bit of a brain in it. That one. Wagons are parked up here. See if we've got enough room to sneak round. Probably, yeah. Cold, gotta be. Oh, we're away. You can see it's white as a mouse, really. So, bit of something a bit different. I know you've been out here before from another angle, but. Busy down here for 5 days. I'll come off shift from here at 6, like, but there's a few dotted about a bit early. We've got some contractors in. The exhaust sounds lovely. And now we'll get a showing round here. Cancelling indicators, I didn't realise that. Come on then, let's get a look round. You can see it's quite as a mouth, isn't it? So we'll get a look round all angles. Got its exhaust on there, its original tailpipe. Sorting him out bits that I've got for him. So I try and keep it going. I mean, it's been a bit of a stressful job sorting this one out, but they all are. But that's just how it is. So it's left behind an absolute gem of a car. As you can see, carpet seats, all perfect, all original. Here's all history for it. I've got all service history. There's even a service book here for this car. original service book. It's that what original owner, and that it was serviced up to its 33,000. It's done 41 now, I think, isn't it? Yeah, 41. So service history is more or less up to date. I could stamp that up actually. Could do that one. So, and that lives in this little pocket that's still here. So that goes in there. Sort that later for him. And then that's everything right. That's good, that. That's really good. That just drops in there. So it's amazing how original it is and how I've kept it original, but like I said, it's been a tad on stressful thing at times. A lot more welding anticipated. Had to recut it rad. Well, I've been through it, and I've been through it, and the car's right, so. All its original badges, chrome's all lovely. I don't think there'll be any more that I'll do like this for sale. I was tossing and turning last night. That was jumping about, breathing sounded like a V4 without a balance shaft, so that's what you get. So if you do stuff like this and you want to do it properly, got subcaps on, which we've all been going on about that. And one of the things is missing though, that's just such a shame, but it's just how it goes. But I'm sure you'll get one. I'm sure they'll find one somewhere. And that's in your boat. That camera focus up, she's just having a fit over that, I don't know why. So all original, all like the original toolkit. Everything not missing. Jack, screwdriver, wheelbase, everything. Even the spring under here to mount it all up, that's still there. Got focus back now, camera's playing ball. Then under the bonnet, you've seen that before, it's totally original. It will be left original. Well, it would be with me. I mean, I think he might do it. It might suit entirely up to the guy who's bought it. New battery, new caps on. It's all sweet. Just wants to wash down. You know, people saying to me, I'm going to wash it. No, he'll can have a go to his son. It's had new master cylinder on brakes, had all new wheel cylinders, had all new pipes, same on clutch, recon master, new slave, so that's that. So there you have it. Give us a like, you like video. I'll just show you this before I turn you off. That's vent, all works. Pull this flap here, which is here, and then that closes it. You can tip it right down for fully closed, there's a seal on, and there's like a seal around it, or you can put it halfway, which goes there, which pops it up to there, which takes just the general flow air. So that's that. So like I said, give us a like if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see stuff, because where this is, that one don't run because it's got no engine. That one runs, that one runs, that one runs, that one runs. Second one don't run, no engine, but the next one runs. Because down here, this is where classic cars do live, do get used, and we make videos on them. And like I say, I don't know if there'll be any more done like this, but that's it. We better keep up with stuff. I've got another grueler coming up with that Zodiac I'm doing fabrication on, but that's a client's car, so a bit of a different kettle of fish. So take care everybody, and bye for now. Thanks for watching, thank you.